this hour's car review. Mr. Mars has the Mazda CX-90.
Yes, the CX-90 that's new for 2024. It's actually replacing the CX-9. Now, this vehicle, because of the 3 powertrain options, there's actually, you can work it out to where there's actually 11 different trims for this vehicle. And I'm going to tell you what we had. The trim level we had was the 3.3 Turbo S Premium Plus Package all-wheel drive vehicle.
Wow.
That's the name of it.
That's a mouthful.
I'm excited.
I'm telling you, and it's the top of the line for this mid-size SUV. Now, the CX-90 is actually 7.5 inches longer than the one it's replacing, the CX-9. And you can get it in a 6, 7, or 8 passenger configuration.
Wow.
We had the 6, so we had the 2 bucket seats up front, we had the 2 seats in the middle, and the back row, the third row, is actually for 2. It's contoured. Instead of trying to make it wide enough for 3 people, they've got it contoured down to where it's for 2 people. Now, the outside of it, you're going to find a lot of the features.
It is built for 2 people.
Yes,
not
it is.
for 2 people.
For 2 people.
For 2
It's
people.
built to accommodate 2 people.
2 people. Thank you. I just want to clarify that.
So you're going to find a lot of things you would expect in this type of vehicle. LED lighting all the way around. It does have the adaptive headlights that I really like. Rain sensing wipers. Got a power folding side mirrors that are heated, but they also tilt whenever you put it in reverse. So that I like that as a good safety feature that you should get. Power lift gate that's hands-free. Got a power moonroof, and we happen to have the 21-inch alloy wheels that are optional on this vehicle. Now, when you get to the inside of it, Napa leather seating across all 6 seatings. The front seats and the second row seats are heated and ventilated. The like I say, the third row is a contoured to accommodate 2 people much better. It has a 12.2-inch center stack in the middle of everything. That's where you're going to find your Mazda nav system, your convenience controls. It also has a 12.2-inch digital LED gauge package for the driver so that he can keep up with everything that's going on. So you've got USB ports in it. You've got wireless charging. You also have a Bose, very nice Bose 12-speaker audio system that really fills this vehicle up. Now, you get up under the hood, one of the 3 power options, the 3.3-liter turbo. One thing they've done, Mazda's done, if you have a turbo package, you have the turbo engine, you are going to get the mild hybrid boost system, a 48-volt system that comes with it. All the all-wheel drives, all the turbo engines have that. So it's 340 horsepower, 369 pound-feet from the naturally aspirated engine with a turbo on it. And you have an 8-speed automatic transmission. Now, this vehicle, because properly equipped and in the right drive mode, you can tow 5,000 pounds with this vehicle. EPA says you should be looking for about 23 miles to the gallon in the city, 28 out on the highway, and combined 25. Now, I drove this vehicle 360.2 miles, and I got 25.2 according to the onboard calculator.
Not bad.
Now, I thought that was pretty good because I really liked the power band of the turbo. There's no turbo lag or anything like that. And the e-hybrid boost system that that's on it, it really helps whenever you're taking off. You don't realize it, you don't really feel it, but it really provides a low-end torque thing that you can use. One thing I will say, this does run on premium fuel. It's required premium fuel, so you got to allow for that. Transmission shifts quick, it shifts smooth. This vehicle, as I said, is a little bit longer than its predecessor, has 3 drive modes, but it's compliant in the road out on the highway without being rough. You feel very, very firm, very situated, like you're very confident in the way the vehicle feels. Now, the base model price for this is $39,595 to get into a CX-90. However, go up 11 trim levels, and you're looking at a base trim price of $59,950, and then you get to the MSRP as tested as $61,920.
Wow, that was good.
Yeah. Now, if you're looking for something to compare it to, you're looking at the Kia Telluride, starts at $36,190. The VW Atlas, $37,995. The Toyota Highlander, you can start at $39,270, and all of them have different trim levels that you can come up to try and get something in more equal to this and in the same price range. So it's new from Mazda. It's It's got a lot of features to it, and if you're looking for something in that 3-row and you're only looking for 6 people and you want all 6 of them to be comfortable, this would be something to look at.
Perfect.
And that's my review of the 2024 Mazda CX-90.
Well, thank you, Mr. Mars, for that. We appreciate you. U.S. Auto.